Hey everyone, Double P here. So in today's end of the day recap, we attacked the SPY with a little bit of vigor. It was a difficult trade to stay in. So this trade developed rather quickly. So I was in and out of this trade, and then I went back in again. So I've been trading the SPY back and forward. Now it's been like the last 25 minutes or so, 30 minutes. I've been trading it back and forth. But so here's what we do. First things first, always, always, always. You see there my margin account, full margin account. 3 years later, still the same thing. You're trading on a root account. Yep, trading on a real out of a real account. So stock is real time. Amex New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options, real time feed. Futures options, delayed for me. I don't trade futures. There's lots of other ways for me to look at futures on my platform. I don't need the feeds because of where I am. There's a restriction for trading futures on TOS because I'm in a different country and blah 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 blah. It's just a little bit of a nightmare. So I don't care. Whatever. Forex is in real time, others in real time. So right there, full blown margin count. So what's the first thing we do? Well, we always draw the box. I've always told you guys, and this is going across social media, but for my guys first and my girls, we always draw the box. You know the box. You know how to draw the box. There's the box, right? That's the first thing that we do. Over here is the 200, right? The granddaddy moving average. Over here is the 20, right? We draw the 20. So you can see exactly. So when I sent out this trade, it was 9. Let me see when I send out this trade here to my guys and girls. It was 9:43. Sent out the trade. Told them 3:59 strike call. Yes, we're in a bear market. Yes, things are collapsing. But if you look at the advanced decline line and look at a couple other metrics, the market's up and down today, so I decided to go bullish, right? So plus 20%, minus 15% stop loss. These expire today. You can see it right here. These expire today. Don't hold to the end of the day. Blah, blah, this, blah, blah, that. Right? So where are we here? 9. So I saw this trade developing. So let me tell you why I took this trade. I saw this trade developing on the 5-minute candle. We're right here. We're on the 2-minute candle. You can see right there. Maybe you can't. So let me show you right here. We're on the 2-minute candle right there. So I look at the 5-minute candle drilling down intraday. Then I look at the 2-minute. Then I take my trade on the 1-minute. I've taught you guys this many times. So looking at this trade develop. So right around here, looking at this trade develop, this is what I saw, right? To go in and take this trade, right? So coming over here, so here's the 20, right there. See the red right there? And see the green right there? See where it's single? Off of the low, no doubt, right? Off of the low. And then you look at the histogram on the MACD, right? Intraday, everything's sped up. There's the leader, there's the lagger, there's the signal for the crossover. Look at the histogram bars, look at the movement that is developing. This is money flow. Money flow is super bearish, but you see the bullish divergence right here. It just took off, right? And then here's your RSI right here. And there's the signal for it. So everything just aligned up right there, boom, to take this trade, right? So coming over here in the 1-minute, you see the development right there to take that trade. And that's all I needed was to take that trade. on the first part, right? And then you see the high right here, 247. That was the high. So let me come over here. Where was the high on that? It was 945. We're on the 2 minute there. So the high was, let me come down to the 1 minute. So there was the high at 945. In and out, high 247, right? Bang, done. Right? So that's how you trade the pocket. And then of course, you get this mess right here. You get consolidation right here, right after it hitting the high. It trapped in all the suckers right up here. And then right here, you got your consolidation. This is a traffic jam as far as I'm concerned. So let me take another step back. Here's the box. When the stock opened up, look at where we are. Sorry, when the ETF, look at this right here. This is a traffic jam. This is consolidation, and it's inside the box. What I always tell you guys, when the ETF opens up inside of the box, it's a no-go zone. We don't trade in this zone. This is the death zone. This is where you get chopped up. But look what it did. It ripped and went right through the box to the downside. So that's what we want, right? Because then you're going to get that violent reversal, which is right here, right? That's a hammer. Right here, that's a hammer. And that's your reversal, right? Boom. So understand that as well. So let me make this a little bit bigger so that you can see it. So that's how we get in right there and out. And then for me, taking the call, I wasn't going to take the put, right? There's no sense me taking the put. So where was the next entry point for me to get into? Well, the next entry point for me to get into is right here, right? This is an inverted hammer. So let me squeeze this over here for you so that you see it there a little bit more clearly. Let me make it a little more bigger for you so that you understand why I trade when I trade. So right here, 955, right here, there's your inverted hammer. And it's like a Death Star doji as well too. So, but this is bullish because you can see it right here, the staircase up, and that movement. So that was the next pocket for me to trade. The third pocket for me to trade, I'll show you, was right here. This is the third pocket for me to trade right there. And that was a killer move. All right, so they can see that there. Give me a second. 923, so let's move this over here so that you see it. Or sorry, 1023. So getting in right here at 1023 and then watching it rip, all right? And you see it right here on the 2 minute, 1023. Let me scroll over here, 1023. So this is what I was looking at. So this is what I was looking at right here. This is the reversal, right? This is a hammer for a reversal off of. Now, this could be an inside harami. You can consider it that, but this is what I was more concerned with. And then you see right here on the RSI, the money flow, the MAC, the signal line is right there. You can clearly see it. We're off to the races again. Bang, done, right? That's a beautiful movement right there. So that was 2, 4, 6, 8, almost 7-minute move, right? So in and out of the SPY, right? I'm done. That's 3 trades today, and we mapped out support and resistance. Why do I take these trades? Because obviously I map out support and resistance. I tell you guys and girls all the time, map out support and resistance. Look at what's going on intraday, right? Map it out. Where's the high? 359.82. Where do I want to get in? 359.49. Resistance. 359.95. Resistance. Support. 358.42. Resistance. Support. Right? Look at the magic right there. What's going to happen today? I don't know. I'm done trading. I don't really care. But I can tell you this right now, the SPY is making a move again. As I cut this video while we're doing this live in real time, you see the SPY is making a move right there. Right? So look at it here on the 2-minute, right? We're bullish. We're bullish. The MAC is rolling up. This is oversold on the RSI. It's coming back down. But here on the 1-minute, this is what we want to see, right? There's the 20 right there, moving, turning green, pushing everything up, right? So that's how we trade. Could I get into this trade again? Sure, I could probably get into it, but I'm not going to because I'm done, right? So here's what we did today. 3 trades, trading the call. So we finished the day, $7,800. Very good day, taking 3 trades intraday. So that being said, my name is Double P. I will see you guys on the Platinum X Power Option Trader groups. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you took the trade. I'm sure quite a few of you took the trade. For those of you that are not members and you're watching this end of the day recap, I always like to provide a ton of value. And I like to make sure that you understand that our group, whether the market is up, down, sideways, we don't give a rat's ass, right? And as I told you yesterday, you see my system is completely all set up on automation. Everything is automated. I don't go chasing stocks. I don't go chasing ETFs. I don't go chasing securities or financial instruments, or I don't chase anything. I've got my system set up now where everything's on automation and all the trades come to me. I don't chase trades. They come to me. You see right there, everything's popping up, right? Come over here to my messages. All my trades come right here. If I want to go look at something, I'm going to go look at something like right here, right? Let's have a look at this. So there's the alert, SQQQQ. Big block option, the downside, 5 minutes. So I know exactly what to do, exactly where to get in, how to get in, because it tells me right here, right? It tells me the exact option, the exact strike price, and it tells me exactly what's going on. So I don't need to think. I just do. The system works. The system is all on automation. So I know exactly where I need to go. I don't got to think about stuff. I don't got to go do research, all right? So again, right here, SQQQQ, TLT, we're added to the bearish 5-minute haul, all stocks, option put, play scan, right? I know exactly what I need to do. Boom, done. Right? So that's it from Double P. This is getting a little bit long, but this was a good trading recap. And you can see right here, the SPY is making a move again, right? Here we are. This is the volume profile. This right here is the point of control right here. So this is kind of when the institutions are looking at making their plays. This is kind of like, this is the average right here. So there's a whole bunch of things I can teach you. It's all inside the course. If you want to become a member, get inside the course. My name's Double P. I'll see you in the next trading recap session. Take care, everybody.